Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application. Now if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to earbuds settings. After that, scroll down again, and under the accessibility we have earbuds software update at the bottom. So tap at this line, and then you need to click download and install. And now we check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!